Hi there. I'm a teacher at Battleground Middle School in Indiana. My name's Aliya. I've been teaching for 12 years now. My 8th grade students were introduced to artificial intelligence in a session with AI Club. The question you should ask yourself, just because our children know how to use Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram, TikTok, does it mean that they know how to use this technology? And that's where AI Club comes in. They learned how AIs work, and each student built their own AI. They had fun and learned how technologies that we use in the real world, such as Siri, work. Demystifying AI is really important, and that's our job as educators. I've been teaching AI Club to elementary students. I've found it really easy to pick up the curriculum, and I've been able to offer this in my classes. In each class, the children learn new concepts and apply their creativity to tech. I like the approach that AI Club uses because it demystifies artificial intelligence, and the concepts are really easy to follow. I believe teaching AI is an important part of digital citizenship, and it's relevant to any state standards. I'm really happy that I can bring this curriculum to my classroom and to our children, and that's where AI Club comes in.